Welcome to an updated guide on saving your Facebook profile photo to your phone. If you've ever wanted a local copy of your profile pic for backup or personal use, this quick walkthrough will have you saved in no time. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you're signed in with the account that owns the profile photo you want to save. Once the app is ready, head to your profile by tapping your profile picture. This brings you to your personal page where all your posts and information live. Now that you're on your profile, locate your current profile photo and tap it. A larger view of the photo appears, giving you a clearer look at the image you're about to save. From here, you'll see options related to the photo itself. Tap the three dots located on the top right corner of the photo. This opens a small menu with several actions you can take regarding the image. Among the listed options, choose the one that says Save to Phone. This selection signals the app to download the image directly to your device's storage. After you select Save to Phone, give the app a moment to finish the download. The photo is saved in your device's default Photos or Gallery app, typically under a folder named Facebook or Camera Roll, depending on your operating system. If you don't see it right away, try refreshing your gallery or opening the Camera Roll to confirm the new file. If you run into any issues, a quick check can help. Ensure you're connected to the internet and that you have sufficient storage space on your device. Also, confirm that you're using the latest version of the Facebook app, since updates often streamline steps like saving photos. If the option isn't visible, try exiting the photo view and reopening it, or logging out and back in to refresh the app's state. That's all there is to it. A few taps and your Facebook profile photo is safely saved to your phone for easy access anytime. This simple process works for profile pictures you've set yourself, and you can repeat it whenever you update your image.